So guys, now we are going to give a background to our game. So, but before that, I want to show you something also here in the top. If you see, you have the tools, fungus, and here we have the flowchart window. We can, if you want to have the flowchart window, so you, for that you can so click on that. And also here we have some other stuff like flowchart, which we are going to add something like that here. So, and also later we need a menu dialog for talking, and maybe some other one. So which depend on our game. We are going to work on them and make them. So for character for dialogue system. Yeah. But for now, let's make a background for our main menu. So for doing that, we need to go inside of our game asset. Here inside of our intro, we have one intro for the video that we want to have in the beginning of your new game, like Monkey Island or on some main menu video. So it's also possible that if you don't want to put any video, you can use also just picture. So for doing the picture, you can go inside of the background and choose, for example, the picture that you want, that is in PNG. And for example, we can put this one there. You need to bring the alpha up, so to 1. So then you have the background as well for your game, but as a picture. But if you want to your background to have a little bit of movement, so you can, I'm going to first to remove that one. Now, so I bring the alpha down so I can see, so under that. Then here I'm going inside of the main menu video, I'm going to bring that small video inside of our scene. Here, as you see, it's a video. It's want to so use the main camera, and also we want the loop to repeat it again and again. And yeah, I think that's all. That's if you want to mute it, add your own music for that. But if you don't want that, so you can just use the music that you use for your video. So that's the video. What else we need for that? Let's play if it's work. Yeah, as you see now, we have the background of the Monkey Island, and also some animation. And if you want to bring a little bit of your buttons down, you can just click on one of them and shift to the last one, so you will get all of them, and then bring them a little bit with these tools here. As the name of that is move tool, bring it a little bit down. And so it's going to little bit load again. And here inside of that, if you click on the intro or main menu, it asks you if you want, you can also transcode it. So you can do it as well to change it. So now everything is ready. Still our button doesn't work so we need to work on them. So then let's go inside of our flowchart here. As you see in this flowchart here, when you click on that, you have the new game. For the new game, we need to load the scene. So let's click on load. Here we are going to load the scene. Here said if you want a load image, if you have an image, for example, maybe later we can put the image of I'm going to put this one. So because for now I don't have any background, so you can put that image. But if you have, for example, your game back some images, you can use that images. And the scene name that we want to load. It is important to use the same name of the scene that you want. So here I'm going to use the intro with the big I. So intro. So and the next thing that we need to do is that to bring these scenes. So here I'm going to rename it also to level 1. So now we have TV scene intro, level 1, and main menu. So here inside of that, we need inside of our file, let's go inside of the build setting where we want to build our game. So I'm going to remove this part because I changed the name, and I'm going to bring the intro as well. So here, just drag it and put it there. So first I want our main menu, and after that I want to be my intro, and from the intro we are going to level 1. So now we can close it. So now let's test it. As you see here, we have our main menu, and when I push the button new game, yes, we are at intro game. So that's work. That's really good. So the next part now, let's save our project and then let's go inside of our intro. Here inside of our intro also we have the canvas. So here I added to our canvas the game timeline because here we want a small video to show you how you can put the video. If you don't want that, you can just directly after putting the new game, you go into the level 1. But if you want to have some video before that, before you jump to the new level, so you can use this scene. So for the new level, we need to go back to our game asset. Here I need to bring our intro video again there, so which I've already bring that, so I don't need to bring it if you have the new video. So here we have the main camera, and here I'm going to put, you just need to click on this small circle here and put your intro there. And if you go inside of the game timeline, you need to put your intro also there as well. As you see, when I'm going to click that, we can just put this intro there. So, and the name of the level that we want to go is level 1. So now let's save it again. Let's go back inside of our scene. So in our main menu, here let's see what will happen. As you see, we are going to the demo version of the game. So we can have some video here, some animation. So, and after that, we are going to our new level. So that is our level 1. So far everything's worked fine with our new game. So if we have here, you can see we have the load here. For the exit button, we need to add just quit button. So flow and quit. Just need to write a quit, and you can have that. But it's just work when you are in the game project, so in website or inside of your game, or in the in your game in mobile also. Because right now, if I'm going to click on that nothing will happen, because we are in the editor. In the editor, the quit button doesn't work. See, nothing, but it's going to call it, but nothing's happened. So now everything's worked fine, and we here learn how to load a new level, and also I'll work with our flowchart blocks. Hope it was easy for you. But during the game, when you go more forward, so you can learn more and more, and it will be more understandable and easier for you to understand it. So don't worry if it's a little bit complicated. I hope it's not, but no worry. So now we are going to end this part, and the next part we are going to work on our level 1 to give a design to our level 1, and then also to give a player to our scene to see how everything's work with player and also the objects. See you now in the next video.